What would you do if you had every reason to believe you were the healthiest person in the room, and then suddenly you found out you had cancer? That nightmare scenario happened to Connor Christou, a startup founder known for his relentless athleticism and grind. But instead of surrendering, Connor did something nobody saw coming. He turned to AI, using it as his secret weapon to fight back. The results? Nothing short of mind-blowing. We've seen technology change industries, but this is personal. But before we get into Connor's journey and how he used AI to turn the tables, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And leave a comment below about how you think technology could transform healthcare or your own life. Let's jump in. Most of us equate cancer with a random stroke of bad luck, especially if, like Connor, you're the human equivalent of a fitness tracker on overdrive. Before this, Connor was the living embodiment of the quantified self. He was a Miami-based founder who had already successfully sold his first startup. He wasn't just healthy, he was optimized. He religiously followed protocols from longevity experts like Dr. Peter Attia and Dr. Rhonda Patrick. He monitored his blood stats with nearly 100 biomarker tests annually, documenting his health like he was building a high-growth tech firm. By all measures, Connor was the fittest founder in any room. We've seen this drive in our work with business leaders, that relentless pursuit of data. Then it happened. In the midst of juggling high-stakes meetings and racing on his bike, Connor discovered he had cancer. It started with a routine workout and a swollen arm caused by 2 blood clots. During the pre-op exams, doctors found a massive mass behind his sternum, an 11 by 11 by 8 centimeter mass. It was non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, an aggressive mutation hitting only 1 in 400,000 people. The tumor was only 3 months old. If he hadn't found it by accident, he wouldn't have survived another 3 weeks. The irony? Connor's obsession with data was exactly what positioned him to fight back in a totally different way. He had the audacity to put one of humanity's most relentless diseases up against its newest invention, artificial intelligence. But first, he faced a massive hurdle: conflicting medical advice. One world-class oncologist suggested a lighter chemo. Another insisted on a brutal 6-month in-hospital infusion protocol. He treated this critical decision like a startup sprint. He sought 12 different opinions from specialists across the US and Europe. The vote came back 11-1 for the aggressive path. He chose the harder road. We understand how paralyzing it is to be at a crossroads with your life or business on the line. Specifically, he turned to Claude, a large language model built by Anthropic. This wasn't just a cliché case of using some app. He went all in. Over the next several months, Connor poured everything into Claude: blood results, MRI scans, and wearable outputs. He was building a digital twin. We often implement similar AI solutions for construction and engineering firms to manage complex data. But seeing it applied to a human life is transformative. He was building a data-driven roadmap for his own recovery. Connor used AI to cut through the flood of information. Doctors give you printouts full of medical jargon and contradictory statistics. Imagine taking all that, and instead of doom-scrolling Google, you feed it into an AI that synthesizes it for you. If his blood work changed, he dumped the numbers into Claude. If a scan showed something new, that went in too. The AI analyzed test results, correlated them with current global research, and translated it all into clear, actionable language. Claude started identifying connections nobody else was flagging. It noticed patterns between his cycling power and his blood results. When he felt fatigued, the AI could point to potential causes based on the latest research. This wasn't one-size-fits-all medicine. It was a nuanced, evolving portrait of his body. We believe the future of operational efficiency for executives lies in this feedback loop. Even the best doctors can get overloaded. Healthcare is a team sport, and AI makes the best kind of teammate. Connor asked Claude to summarize clinical studies about his specific cancer type, filtering the flood of new research. He developed an almost superhuman edge in his own care, moving faster and smarter because he had accurate information. He eliminated at least some of the fear that comes from not knowing what your body is really going through. The most wild moment came at the end of his treatment. A final PET scan showed activity that his oncologist interpreted as residual cancer. They recommended risky radiotherapy near his heart. Connor was skeptical of the scan's high 60% false positive rate. He interrogated the scan data with Claude. The AI flagged a phenomenon called Thymus Rebound, where the gland reactivates after chemo. Claude calculated a 90% probability that it was just a rebound, looking exactly like cancer on a scan but being harmless. Armed with this, Connor sought more opinions, and a fourth doctor confirmed the hypothesis. The radiation was canceled. That AI-led insight saved him from potentially permanent damage. We understand that this intersection of tech and biology is the new frontier. Our firm works at the front lines of this shift, implementing AI for organizations that can't afford to miss a single detail. Whether it's a legal firm managing thousands of documents or a construction project tracking every rivet, the principle is the same. AI is the ultimate teammate. It's tireless, up-to-date, and never too busy for a second opinion or a deep dive analysis. We understand how isolating a crisis can be, but you don't have to face it with intuition alone. Data is your ally. Think of the difference here. The success model is the empowered patient using data and AI to advocate for themselves. The failure model is the passive recipient of care, lost in a sea of jargon and standard protocols that might not fit you. It's like a company using AI to predict supply chain disruptions versus one that just waits for the cargo. One is leading, the other is reacting. AI is the cognitive co-pilot for your journey. It doesn't fly the plane, but it monitors the instruments you might miss in a storm. It's the team captain that has read every playbook ever written and can spot the opponent's next move before they even make it. What's the big lesson? You don't need to be a Silicon Valley founder to benefit from these tools. We all live here now. We all live at the intersection of biology and technology. Whether you're battling a diagnosis or optimizing your business, it's here. The era of AI-augmented humanity is here. Connor's journey is proof that being the fittest is about more than muscle. It's about courage, data, and using every tool at your disposal to turn the odds in your favor. If you want to see how AI is reshaping health, medicine, and even human potential, check out the video linked in the corner. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your own story or question in the comments below. We read them all. And if you're ready to dive deeper into how AI can 10 times your life or business, don't wait, book a call with us today. Thanks for watching. What tool will you master today to secure your tomorrow? Stay curious, stay healthy. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.